going on, YouTube? Went to Walmart today. Found some of these 223 American Eagles. Some Maxi Mags. Don't have a gun for that yet, but I intend on buying a PMR 30 in the next month or two. Some PowerPoints. There's only 2 of those on the shelf and only one Maxi Mag. There's 6 of those, but another guy behind me wanted a few, so I was nice and let him have 2. There's the tag. That was this morning at 11:13. And then over here, this is the find of the day for me, thanks to another YouTuber named Alex something or other, I believe. I can't quite remember. But a nice jacket, Realtree, regularly $41. Got it for $11. Some change. About 10:40 this morning. Yeah, those are my finds for today. This is a new YouTube channel. My old one got deleted for some odd reason. So, if you were following me on my other one, I hadn't made a video in probably 6 months or so. So, this is my new channel. Like and subscribe. Talk to you later.